to use Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Fantasy Premier League app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Fantasy at the bottom. After you've clicked on it, you'll find Transfer option at the top. Simply click on the Transfers option. Here, you'll find all your team. Simply select the person you want to replace. After you've selected the person, at the bottom, click on Select Replacement. In here, if you have wildcard, you can simply choose your wildcard from here and add your card. Make sure it's under your budget as well. This is how to use wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.